Will you send the video to me also? Cool, that will be great. Okay. Okay. So, if we open the can, it is like shoe polish, right? Oh, I see the instructions are also in, right? So, in package we get 4 screws, 4 metal parts, this is round one, and 4 metal discs. We're gonna put this here and we're gonna install the lace into the shoe. So these parts can go in the top of the shoe hole. Okay, like this. And now you screw these parts in. And we do this on both sides. Goes like this. And then we tie it a little bit. We have on our laces there is a logo, which is basically also as a screwdriver. You can use it. You just put it in and turn it and tie it a little bit. Okay, and when you're done, then you lead the lace from top to the bottom. So the lace is 1.2 meter long, right? It is very long. Now this is the starting position when you put the lace in, and then you cut this part, and this is a company logo where it is also a holder for which you can clip the parts, right? So we start with this one. I usually start on the inner side of the shoe. So we start at the top of the shoe hole, like this, and we pull it all through, and we're gonna make the lace, we're gonna lead the lace like my shoe. See, it is like a square and not like this one, right? Okay, we're gonna do the squares, so we're gonna go like this. Now we are going from top to the bottom. Sorry. We are almost done. We have only 3 holes and we are done. This product is great for people with weak motorics and also for kids up to 10 years old because their fingers are not so well developed. And we also find that this is good for blind people and for people with arthritis, old ones. Basically,
with one hand?
Yeah, one-handed. And basically it is for all generations. I cannot find anyone who wouldn't use it.
Yes.
You know? It is also a fashion accessory. It is not just a lace anymore. Okay, so here we are at the end, right? And we're gonna go around from the top to the bottom. We're gonna soon finish it. And now we use 2 tiny discs, which are also in a package, right? You see, we put the lace through all the holes, and now we need to regulate the distance, and we're gonna use these tiny discs. We use 2 discs. This is one, put it in, and here is another one. This is second one. And we put this right where we want this lace to be ended. So let's say we wanna put this here. Okay. Yeah. And we gonna go with this part through the second hole, right? We pull it. And now the stopper is made, because when they are together, right, it prevents you that the lace go out, you see? And it is hidden in the shoe. And now the lace get a little bit, you check it, before we cut it, you will need to check it. How does it fit on your leg, right?
Okay.
Push your leg in. Okay, so now you must check it, how is it tight. If it is not too tight, you can still regulate with this one, right?
Yeah.
Before you cut it. So you just now, how can I say, make it more easier, right? Because you can still tie it, right?
Yes.
Try to tie it. Yeah. And you can go around, and then it's tight a little bit more.
Here, this way.
Or go on this way and around.
Okay, this is too tight.
Too tight, right?
Yes.
Then you just go
I can
on
get
one.
a little bit more.
So I can say not so tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we can make this go down.
Yes, I like it this way. Yes.
Not so tight. Okay. We do it like this.
Yes, this is good.
Much better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can tie it.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yes. Then?
And now, if you want it, you can cut
Yes.
it, but we can still leave it a little bit more, so you can
Okay.
put it. Yeah.
Down.
If we have fire, we can fire here, but we can hold, like, we can put it here, so it's not visible, and can still reassemble it then, right?
Yes. And I can do it in this way, also with Jesus, huh? And then here.
Yeah.
And then I can tire it if I can hold it. Let it miss.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Great, a good solution.
So we finish it.
Thumb up.